When I wake up tomorrow, there's probably gonna be 20 vans in the parking lot. Good morning. Lifted Van Meet 2024. Check out this turnout. U-joint 4x4 right there. It's a Well-Tech next to it. Action van suspension, action van suspension. This one arrived last night. Don't know what's in it yet. Well-Tech, Well-Tech, Well-Tech. We have two GM 4x4s right there. We got a Well-Tech right there. Mark always takes that spot. Wish you were here this year, buddy. Have a great trip. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll see who shows up tonight or tomorrow. We're waiting for a bunch of people tomorrow. This is just day one. That's Chocolate Man in the van. James Casino right there with Honey. That's Ryan, and that's my buddy Jeff. That's me. Okay. My cat's in here. Yeah, hi. There she is. Alright, getting ready for bed. This is Lifted Van Meet 2025, night one. I was about to go to sleep, and then I see my buddy roll in. Good morning. Lifted Van Meet, November 2025, day 2. There's my cat. All the bags on her kennel. Didn't have to run the heater today. So go around. Hi, good morning. Hi. Hey, you need to be patient. Okay. 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 There you go. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. It's right there. Turn around. It's right in front of you. Yeah. Good job, buddy. There she has her cat litter in here. She's all set up. So with these lifted van meets, unfortunately, we're getting rain. And I'm already getting messages that people aren't going to make it.
Yeah, whatever.
But what'd you say, man?
Ride or die, baby. What's up? I don't understand it. Like, I don't have a lifted van. I got a 2-wheel drive on street tires. I'm still going for the adventure. but I don't understand it.
So I've been talking to this guy for years, and you know, when you meet someone, it's different. Just like his YouTube channel, but even nicer. You know,
it's great to meet you finally, man. It's all good, and I'm glad that I'm one of the ones that, you know, when things get tough, you know, it's okay. I'm still tough. I can still go out here and ride or die for it and still do the thing. So we're gonna go have some fun regardless of the weather. We're not like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm not rolling in a Sprinter or anything. Oh, well.
One last shower before I rough it for a few days. This is what a Pilot Flying J shower looks like. $18, and they were nice enough to let my girlfriend shower first, and then I went after her, so you get your own toilet. And that's what it looks like. All right, no showers for a couple days now. Headed to Slab City. Mini convoy so far. Let's see who shows up in this rain. Hey, you like attention? Are you a camping cat? I love these things. I think they're called Centurions. But if they made the 4th gen, there was a 4th gen conversion of one of those, I'd be rocking that. Okay, we got a little break from the rain, and the group is slowly forming. So we got an action van suspension right here. This is the ultimate lift. Right there's a radius arm. Mine's a Well-Tech Designs, Baja grocery getter. And then we have another action van ultimate lift right here. Oh, and then there's 3 Raptor grills. Raptor grill, Raptor grill, Raptor grill. We got a 4x4 B190. I love these B190s. So at least we got a 4-wheel drive guy, just in case we get stuck in a flash flood. Move bumper. Very nice. Right there. Another Action Van suspension. This one has a fiberine top. Oh, and that one's a medical van top right there. So this one has the 2010 style radius arm. And then we got Chocolate Man in a van in honey stock rolling with us. I like the attitude. You know, I was kind of bummed about all this rain. I was like, man, I know people are going to cancel now because, you know, the rain is treacherous. But James said, I got nothing to do. Let's do this. I'm like, okay, at least I got one guy. But it looks like I got more than one guy. So let's have a good time today. The rain stopped a little bit. Let's make the most out of the day. We're at Salvation Mountain. God is love. I like that. The free place. No rent. No property tax. No HOAs. Play a game of basketball. Leaving Slab City, back to reality. Looks like a bunch of schoolies. Headed to the Salton Sea right now. Was that guy supposed to be with us that passed us? All right, there's the mountains right there. All right. We're at Salton City, Bombay Beach, at the Ski Inn. Here it is, the Ski Inn.
You go in, out.
We're at the drive-in theater right now.
The dog came from America, probably. Oh, really? Yeah. The dog.
It's where all the YouTubers go.
Yeah.
Chupacabra Adventure has his picture here. That's his favorite picture. Bombay Beach. The artificial ocean in the middle of the desert. Crappy weather. Sucks that it rained. But man, it's nice out here right now.
All right, he's going out on an adventure. See how this goes. Probably a true track. Oh, look at that.
Oh, you better keep that momentum going. He's digging. There's only one 4-wheel drive out here. He's got